Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy, healthy, family-friendly recipes. And today I'm sharing with you a fan favorite, Instant Pot chicken breast. This recipe is so popular because it works every single time. It works to give you juicy, flavorful chicken breasts in no time at all with very simple ingredients. So let's get started and let me share with you my tips and tricks to make the most perfect Instant Pot chicken breast. To start, you're going to need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now, we need to talk about size. Size matters when it comes to cooking chicken breasts. Most chicken breasts that you find at the grocery store will be about 10 ounces. That's this larger chicken breast here. An organic chicken breast or a chicken breast that you would buy maybe in like those perfect portion bags of chicken would be more like 6 ounces. And if you're confused what size chicken breast you have, take the total weight of your package of chicken breasts and divide by the number of chicken breasts that you have in your package. So if your chicken breast had 3 chicken breasts inside of it and it was 24 ounces, you would take 24 divided by 3 and that would give you 8 ounces. So you would know your chicken breasts would be about 8 ounces each. And that just gives you a rough estimate. And then, so you have your chicken breasts, and you can use again fresh or frozen. I'll tell you about the timing difference there in just a minute. You need garlic powder, salt, and pineapple juice. I know, pineapple juice sounds crazy, but trust me, the pineapple juice works to tenderize the chicken breast and give it incredible flavor. In fact, even if you were going to use this cooked chicken breast in chicken pot pie or a savory casserole, the pineapple juice is still a great choice because it really flavors your chicken well. Now, you don't have to use pineapple juice. You can use 1 cup of chicken stock instead. The choice is yours, but I recommend trying the pineapple juice. It's delicious. And you can find pineapple juice right inside little cans. You can use a can of pineapple chunks in 100% juice and drain off that juice and use it in this recipe. And then your kids can pick up and eat the pineapple chunks. At least that's what my kids do. Or you can buy pineapple juice in a big jug. Again, or you can use chicken stock. The choice is yours. For a 6-quart Instant Pot, you need 1 cup of liquid. So I'm going to pour in 1 cup of the pineapple juice right inside my pressure cooker. If you have a 3-quart, you're going to need 3/4 of a cup of liquid. If you have an 8-quart, you're going to want 1.5 cups of liquid. And then you want to place your chicken inside your pressure cooker. I'm going to cook the 10-ounce chicken breast today, and I definitely want to make sure that each chicken breast is about uniform in size. I don't want to put my 6-ounce chicken breast in with my 10-ounce because then one chicken would be overcooked and the other would be undercooked. So you don't want that to happen. It doesn't matter how many chicken breasts you put inside your pressure cooker. You can do this with 1, or you can do this with 5 chicken breasts, or 6, as many that will fit inside your pressure cooker, but no more than 2/3 of the way full. And then you want to season with salt and garlic powder. Place your lid on the pressure cooker and make sure your vent knob is pressed towards sealing or sealed. Now, when it comes to cook time, if you have thawed, fresh chicken breasts, you're going to cook your chicken breasts for 6 minutes on high pressure for 6-ounce chicken breasts, which are the smaller organic chicken breasts, 7 minutes on high pressure for 8-ounce chicken breasts, or 8 minutes on high pressure for 10-ounce chicken breasts, which is what we're cooking today. If you were using frozen chicken breast, you would add 4 minutes to whatever time. So if you were doing frozen 6-ounce chicken breasts, you would add 4 minutes to the 6-minute cook time. If our 10-ounce chicken breast was frozen, I would add 4 minutes to the 8 minutes cook time. Again, you can cook as many frozen chicken breasts inside your pressure cooker as you would like. Just make sure your chicken is not frozen together. That would cause the chicken breast to cook unevenly, and you do not want that. If your chicken breasts happen to be frozen solid, just run under cold water until they separate, and then you can proceed with the recipe. So to cook, you want to hit the manual button or your pressure cook button, depending on the model that you have, and adjust your time. We're cooking 10-ounce chicken breasts, so that will be 8 minutes on high pressure. The Instant Pot has turned on, and now the pressure will start to build. Once the cook time has started, you will see the 8 minutes show back up on your screen here, and the cook time will cook down. Let the pressure cooker do its thing, and once cook time has elapsed, wait at least 5 minutes before you release any pressure from your Instant Pot. And I'll show you what it looks like back here in just a little bit. Okay, as you can see here, we have 5 minutes has elapsed since cook time. So now it's safe to release your pressure using the quick release method. You can wait up to 10 minutes. That's what I typically like to do, but I want to show you what to do in case you're in a hurry. Please at least wait 5 minutes before releasing pressure so that your chicken breast doesn't get tough. So what you're going to do is you're just going to want to stand away from the venting, and you're going to want to knock your vent knob from sealed to venting. And after 5 minutes, there's hardly any pressure left. I like to do this in a big open space, not underneath my cabinets for steam to collect. If you don't have that, just make sure that you wipe up underneath your counters or that you let your pressure cooker naturally release. And then you want to open up your pressure cooker. Now, before you take your chicken breasts out, I highly, highly recommend a digital meat thermometer. This will help you tell if your chicken is cooked perfectly. We want our chicken to reach 165 degrees. So you turn it on and place in the center of your chicken breast and give it a minute here to reach temperature. If you were to see that your chicken had not reached 165 degrees, put the lid back on and select pressure for 1 to 2 minutes longer. Don't worry about it won't take as long for your Instant Pot to come to pressure. Just make sure that you still have a sufficient amount of liquid inside your pressure cooker and cook for an additional minute or 2. My chicken breast, however, was perfect at 165 degrees. And then it comes out and it's nice and moist, and you can serve this chicken breast plain, as I said, or you can shred it up and use it in recipes. Look at how juicy and tender that chicken looks. It's delicious. You guys, it's so easy to make chicken breasts inside your pressure cooker, and it's so easy to make them taste flavorful and not rubby and to turn out perfect every time. I hope that you follow these tips, and I hope that you join me again in the kitchen where I'll be sharing more easy family-friendly recipes. Take care, guys.